Hey guys, if you want to see how I turn these ingredients into this delicious family dinner, let's jump right into it. Chicken fajitas on the Blackstone Griddle. All right guys, time to fire up the grill. All right guys, while the griddle is heating up, let me show you what I did. I have some peppers and onions here, and I used a marinade that I purchased at the supermarket, some green onions and some jalapenos, some chicken breast strips that I used the same marinade for both the peppers and the chicken. The green onions I found the recipe on the Hungry Hussey's YouTube channel, and he used them, and I thought that was a great idea, so I went ahead and included them. I did forget a couple things. I forget to get the limes and some cilantro, but dish is going to be great nonetheless. All right guys, the grill looks like it's ready to go. I am going to go ahead and get the chicken going. Normally I would put some avocado oil down, but to be honest with you, I completely forgot. So one of the reasons I use avocado oil is because it has a high smoke point. It's time to put the veggies on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat up on the chicken, maybe to medium, and the vegetables, maybe just a little bit as well. So next time with the marinade, I think instead of using one that's liquid based, I might just use one that is dry in nature, put something together myself. I would like the chicken to be maybe a little bit more crispy. It's not bad by any means. It looks really, really juicy, but maybe going forward, I'll use a dry seasoning and to see if I can get a little bit more crispiness, and maybe put the avocado oil down, and maybe that would have did it, the high heat with the avocado oil. Although I'm saying that, but some of the pieces are coming out a little crispy. So the chicken looks like it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part of the grill, move it to the left. We'll mix that in at the end. One thing I'm noticing is that another reason why I'm not crazy about using the liquid marinade is that it probably has some sugar in it, and I noticed that depending on what you cook, the grill gets more dirty or less dirty. So this marinade definitely took a toll on the grill. So it's gonna take a little bit more work cleaning it, although it's coming up. Hopefully that's not the seasoning. No, but it looks like it's coming up. So depending on what you're cooking, it's gonna make more of a mess on the grill. So the vegetables are definitely getting there. I am gonna go ahead and mix them a little bit more and mix in the chicken. I used to love getting fajitas at restaurants. Back in the day, they were always so good, almost everywhere you went. But now it's like you go to a restaurant and the portions are so skimpy, and the quality's just not there. So when I purchased this grill, this is one of the first things I wanted to make were chicken fajitas. I missed having these. I used to get them all the time when I was younger at restaurants. So I cannot wait to start digging into these. As far as the jalapeno goes, there's a little bit of a char on them. I said earlier, but it's worth mentioning here, I didn't cut it up and put it in the vegetables because the kids aren't going to want them. So I'll go ahead and cut these up and put them in my own and my wife's later separately. All right guys, the chicken's done. The vegetables look like they're pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all up together. Look how good that looks, man. I love that sizzle. Guys, this looks really, really good. I like to have the peppers look nice, the onions look good, the chicken's got that nice little crisp on it. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and put one of these together, taste it, and let you know how they taste. All right guys, time to taste it. All right, guys, chicken fajitas. Let's see how they taste. It's really good, but I forgot the cheese. Honestly, I would tell you the truth. Really, really, really good. If you want to see what I'm cooking up next, make sure to check out the next video.